All right, let's look at question 2. This question is still referring to the first poem, My Shadow by Robert Louis Stevenson. Question 2 says, what tone do lines 15 through 16 contribute to the poem? I know that tone is the way that the author tells me the story, or in this case, the poem. So I need to think about what tone means, and I need to go back and review lines 15 through 16, looking at keywords and phrases to know what kind of tone does the author have. So here's line 15. Let's reread. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Now I have to decide which of these adjectives best describe the way the author is telling me these lines. I have keywords in these lines like lazy little shadow, errant sleepyhead, fast asleep in bed. So let's look at these answer choices. If you didn't know what these words meant, you might want to go back and look them up, and we'll talk about their meanings now as well. If something is affectionate, it's very caring. If something is amused, it's almost funny or humorous. So you wouldn't be serious if you were amused about something. Angry, we know, of course, means mad. And anxious means maybe nervous or worried. So if you didn't know those vocabulary words, this would have been an especially challenging question. Now if we go back and look at our keywords like lazy little shadow, errant sleepyhead, we need to decide, is he angry that the shadow's still in bed? Is he nervous that his shadow's still in bed? I don't think so, because he's using kind of a silly word like sleepyhead. So now we need to decide, is he feeling caring about the shadow, or is it more of a funny and humorous tone referring to a lazy little shadow? Take another look at that and see what you think.